Hey guys, so yeah, we kind of got lost earlier, but we're gonna go back. I'm gonna take photos. I'm gonna be doing this later with a camera, so sorry about that. But we're here around Dandenong. We're on near Rhododendron Gardens, and we're heading back. There are road closures up there, so a lot of clearing done, a lot of cleaning up they're doing. But yeah. So let's just go back. I'm just gonna, yeah, let's do that. So we're using this road here, which is the road less traveled. And yeah, let's see. So this road's called Falls Road. Getting dark. You see all those trees that were cut off during that great storm. No, that was a windy. I don't know what that was. There's a lot of trees being cut here. Check that out. Another one here. You see the roots on the other side. So it's getting dark. I hope my camera can hold up to it. Also, it's a bit bumpy, and my camera doesn't have any stabilization, but it should be right. Yeah. So yep, look at those houses up there. Lots of trees there down, man. It's a shame. They look good. Oh man, sorry about that. Okay, let's go up. I'm gonna try to meet that road there. And yeah, there's the truck taking up all the rubbish and everything else, and clearing on the roads because the roads are really flapped up. Look at that, just a tiny, oh, there's a hole up there. Oh man, slippery road. And then we're gonna go down here. And get out of here. So we're gonna use this road up here. This is where I came in. So Olinda Falls has been closed. See all those trees falling. Yep. I love to go mountains. I love to explore, but yeah, some places here you're not allowed to, and it's tough here because back in the Philippines you can explore, you can just go hiking, and your worst nightmare there is just somebody there is gonna poke a gun at you and then steal all your belongings. But in here, it's cold, snakes, a lot of factors. I'm gonna go to the side because there's a car coming in. Let me see if I can handle it. Oh yeah, roads are really kind of small. Okay, there you go. That's so big road here to pass. Okay. Might come here sometime, just do some dronings. I don't know if it's allowed. But yeah. And this mud here, so it's slippery also. So hopefully we get out of here, and I can see some power lines down. And that's scary. Just gonna go down here, and you can see all those trees, man. All those trees that fell. Take a photo of it with my camera. Take a photo of it. That good. Good. And yeah, I feel like I'm driving a four-wheel drive on an off-road adventure, but not. It's just a I don't know, all-wheel drive, but doesn't work as a four-wheel drive, like a literal four-wheel drive. Let's go down here. Tree just cut off. That's a very big tree, mate. It's good for firewood though. a lot. I can just imagine if your house and a big tree would fall like that, it's gonna be like shit. Anyway, what's that thing going down there? I don't know. I don't want to know. Not now. It's getting dark. And I've been blabbering, and the microphone's just up there. So sorry about that. So that's funny. So yeah, we're out of the danger field. Danger field. So we're on to nice ground, and we'll be heading home in 23 minutes. So yeah, heading straight home because it's getting dark. Okay, just go up, 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 up. Oh, look at that. There's another tree there that's been cut off. So it's just a lot of closures here in Dandenong, Mount Dandenong, because of all the trees that fell. Good thing these guys didn't fall. Like all the roads up there, like be closed only to. It's only open for local traffic. I'm not thinking, guys. So I'm so sorry. I just want to vlog today, but the thing is, I'm not myself. I'm not 100%. I don't know why. Maybe because I failed the subject on my unit. Fuck, I hate that thing. Okay, let's go on. Choking. Oh, yeah, we're gonna go just straight. Just gonna go straight and up there. And this small roads up here. The park's closed also. Some areas it's open, but some areas it's closed. Yeah, it's getting dark. It's not gonna be fun. Should have been here early in the morning. Kalorama Park. There you go. So the road there is closed, so I'm going to go the other way. Oh yeah, they're closing the road, just stopping all the cars coming in. I want to go there also, man. Nah, it's getting too cold now. Let's just leave it for another day. We don't have a telephoto also. It's not going to be worth it. Let's just go home. Yeah, I was hoping for a photo opportunity, like a bit of foggy, rainy look. But no, it's not going to happen because it's really, really bad out there. Like, it's cold, there's no light. I don't have a telephoto. Let's just go home. So I hope you like that part there. I'm going to cut this video to 2 because, yeah, you don't need all this road, just simple road drive. I'm gonna go to the oval and stop there and reconfigure the camera. But yeah, you don't need all this. Just want to show you all those trees there that fell. And other than that, there's nothing. Yeah, we're gonna go to the oval here. It says, does it say closed? Let's just go. Let's just go. What does it say? Alcohol-free area. Okay, I'm not drinking alcohol, man. You'll be fine. Oh, look at all those trees we cut. Okay. Interesting. And when we turn around here, it's the dead end. You have to make a U-ey. Shit, Mick. You're shit. Okay. So we're gonna reset our camera when we go out. So that's what you do when you explore and you don't think about your gas, your petrol. You just go. I was just going straight and didn't mind. Well, it's nice to know this place here. Wonder where that leads. Oh, there's a lot of fixing that we're doing here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna reset it to the main road.